Hi, this is Instadeq in 2 minutes. This week I added support to remove where conditions. They are automatically added an AND, so I need a way to remove them outside of the formula editor. So this icon will appear and you can remove them. Now you can also remove orphan entities. If I remove a cell and I go to search and I can see that this spreadsheet is an orphan, so I can remove it. I expand the formula editor. It takes the whole width when the formula editor calculator is expanded. I also added an icon here instead of text, and it stays at the bottom, so I think it looks nicer. And we support WebSocket for hooks. I made a video this week on my Twitter account. I published it, so you can check it there. Better UI for grids. So here I have a grid and I put a clock and I put a note. And if I move them around, you can see the dark where I'm placing it and the light gray is where they are taken. And when I resize, I can see the same thing. So what else? And this is the big one: propagate var renames and removes. I have an example here. So I have this aggregation and I have a chart that depends on some of the outputs and a query, and then a query that depends on this one. So what happens if I rename something at the beginning in the first one? I can rename this to min, and it will propagate the rename to this output and to the dependencies. And if I remove something, it will propagate the removal and it will be removed on the chart and the query. And also, since this query had an output and this one depended on it, it will be also removed. So it propagates further, more than one level. So if I remove this, all the cells will have no inputs because they were all removed. I will add a confirmation step for if there are dependencies to ask, do you really want to remove it? And the last one is charts. Before they behave like aggregations if they aggregated on a key, but now if they don't have a key, they behave like selects. So you can have something like a table. So I hope I didn't step over 2 minutes.